Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here I am your host, I am your anchor, I am your teacher, and you can easily see that each and every day I'm improving myself. And why I'm improving? Just because my audience can speak fluent, because now AI is coming, so you can easily see in a market, in a competitive exam, you are in a school, college, coaching institute, tuition, I mean whatever you just do, you can think that easily see that how important to English speaking skill. Okay, otherwise it's gonna be very tough situation in the next 4 or 5 years. I'm telling you, if you can't able to speak a good English, if you can't able to speak a proper English, you gonna face many more difficulties in the next 4 or 5 years. I'm telling you, next 4 or 5 years your life gonna become screwed. It's hard, it's very hard, but it's the truth. It's a harsh truth, and you have to accept it. So that's why I'm trying that my audience can speak a very good English speaker. Otherwise, it's gonna be very tough. So if you have seen my last dozen of videos which I made for my audience, then you can easily see that I talked about each and every topic. I talked about tense, verb, and each and everything. Okay, but here you can see that there are some word and spelling and meaning, and now I'm making a spelling and meaning. Okay, now I'll try to make a sentence. Only this is you can speak English. Just always just sit properly. Okay, always in days 15 and 20 minutes, slash the room, slash the door. Okay, and sit properly and peacefully and calmly just think. Peacefully and calmly just think that you trying to make a sentence. You are good to enough and make a sentence. If you are not a good speaker, no, just start very slowly and steady. You win the race. Even if you heard a story about rabbit, and then you can easily, so just try to make yourself just one sentence, two-line sentence, three-line sentence. One day you're gonna see that you are now making a whole paragraph, you are making a whole chapter. And English is like just like kid game. Whenever you speak in Hindi, I know you are subconsciously attached to this language. So this is how you're gonna fluent in English. Okay, it's not a very difficult language. It's a very simple language with the simple ideas. Bear the palm. So bear the palm. It's like we are going to be able to look in a thousand, in a, if you just look at back at, then just 15 or 600 years ago, then you can easily see that where you will heard a lot of story about kingdom, about king, queen. There are thousands of warrior, thousands of legend. What we, I mean, so just think what kind of mindset was that. What kind of mindset they have. I mean, I mean, fighting is like just a kid game that time. Okay, and yes, I know after but that time when one king attacked to other king, then we can see, then we can say that they're gonna win the battle. They're gonna bear the palm. They're gonna bear the. Right now there are. I'm 30 years is now, and I am seeing that this now Ukraine Russia war, before that Iran Kazakhstan, I mean Iran Gaza, I mean so I mean what they are trying to prove themselves. I mean Putin and all the Trump, what kind of what they want to prove themselves. Okay, we will going to talk discuss later, but you can see that beard the palm. Okay, yes, you can easily see that beard the palm, beat the air. So it's about beat the air is like you are studying something. Look, hard work never gonna be fail. Okay, so always believe in hard work, believe in discipline, believe in yourself, and believe in universe. Okay, your dream gonna be fulfilled, your life gonna be built. Just always beat the air. I mean, just always look at yourself and always try to improve yourself each and every day, and one day you're gonna success. Up, I am sure you're gonna success. Look, nothing is impossible for a man. Okay, if you are a man enough, if you have a heart enough, if you are a lion heart, then you can easily face anything, anywhere, any kind of situation. So always feel like a lion heart. Always just feel yourself that you are a lion. Lion is a king of forest. Okay, lion always walk alone. Lion don't need anything. Okay, so always live like a lion. Live like your life like a lion. Okay, never ever afraid to anyone, anything, anywhere. Okay, this world is like a forest. So if you want to survive, if you want to live a very good and healthy life, you have to live like a lion. You have to behave properly. Just anything, anywhere. Okay, this is how you're gonna build your life. Bed the roses. So this is the situation. Bed of roses. It's like you are tired of something. You are tired too much, and now you want to become a rest. Okay, so this is a symbol of this bed of roses. Bed of roses. Okay, so bed of roses. Be in the one bonnet. Be in the be in one bonnet. Be in one bonnet. It's like be in one bonnet. It's like you can relate that about singer. Many singer. I mean, there are two types of singer. Okay, one singer who touch our heart, like Alka Yagnik, Udit Narayan, Sonu, Sanu Kumar, Arjit Singh, and there are too many singers in a world that touch our soul. That Lata Mangeshkar is a legendary actor. Abhijit Sawant, how can we forget this? So there are too many legend singer. I mean, we can always hear to them. We can always hear them. We can always hear them. Okay, but again, I'm telling you, there are too many singer who are a worst singer. But I don't want to even take a name. Okay, so it's a so yes, there are two types of singer. Behind the scene, it's like there are many. If you are a YouTube, if you look in 2026, everyone watch content. I mean, there are millions and billions videos uploading each and every day. Okay, yes, look at that. I mean, you gonna see competition everywhere. You gonna, I mean, you if look, I mean, we can now become a largest population in the whole world. So of course you gonna face this kind of trouble, this kind of situation. Always you gonna feel. So if you want to compete the world, if you want to rule yourself and build to your dream life, then of course you always have to two step two step front of the people. Otherwise you can see now we can become a largest in population in the whole world. I mean, it's a population crisis now running in a. I mean, if you just see the railway platform, if you just visit the all the hospitals, I mean, what can a human treat like an insect? Human treat like an insect. If you, so that's why I'm telling you, just live like a lion, live like a lion heart. If you just visit the Delhi Aims and however, I mean, what we, I don't even want to take a name, okay? So yes, just always, and do look at this behind the scene. It's about, there are too much content in a YouTube documentary, okay? So where you will gonna see that if there are our movie makers and filmmakers who are their story on the content. Why? Just because they can earn more business, they can earn more money from the YouTube. So that's why they are uploading. So you can easily see that how a movie making world, how a how our producer and our distributor, how they become a movie. If behind the scene there are thousands of video, not a Hindi movie, not a Bollywood movie. It's a also for Hollywood movie. You can see the behind the scene. Okay, so yes, tell me your comment box that are you trying, are you enjoying my company, and if you are just enjoying, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. And of course, look, just give your opinion in the comment box. This is how you can grow yourself in English. Okay, otherwise, look, I have a 1 year and I know I'm gonna fulfill my job. Look, no one can't beat me. I'm telling you, no one can't beat me. So it's up to you. I'm just making this content. It's up to you. Okay. So yes, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, Majama. Okay.